Ulam perang gayeng dorbar tau ain ke jala Meghalaya Thomas E Sangma minta ke singula pentip bala penjalani ka thong ban pendep gayeng dorbar ka bathamai da ka jingtmu ban pendep haswa ka autumn session jong snem arajar apusan ulam perang ula peniat ka jingelang bat ka high power committee ban bishar bnya ka jingyat shaprang jong ka jingshnai ka yeng dorbar ka bathamai hamau diang minta ka singi ya ka ne ka jingelang lawan ban shimbentalang do menteri rang ba ka jala Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma Deputy Chief Minister ubak Preston Tensong bat usnyau bhalang dhar unong ilam kaliang persha Dr. Mukul Sangma ula kemen rumbui bat kedekot ka High Power Committee Thomas E Sangma ula penpau halor ka jing shimpor ban pendep ekate ka jingte namar kilashna ha ka rukom ka bakham kerpang khamtame ka main hall jong ka ying dorbar thawain lashna ka ba ompat judon ki jingshna bakum ka te ka jingte ladaya nuijor wat hari India hi berok away de namar ka jingshna Bahabat ke jing sani bat janai ka ba penlong ya kate ka ying dorbar thawan ka jala ban suki bat ka ba kham shimpor ban pendep nya ka.
First of all, we are going for slowly. We have been going very carefully because this kind of structure and design that the main hall dome has been designed is. There is no such design anywhere in this part of the country, so we are going very slow and we are going very careful about it. So we have asked the structural engineer has to be posted. It's already posted, so we want to go slow. We want to see another mishap happening. So the SPC has decided the work progress so far is going on very satisfactorily. But then, since this is a very, new structure design for us, so we are going a little slowly. So we had earlier decision was that we should have our budget session here, but we're very sorry that we will not be able to have this budget session because there are certain work has to be very done, which are very sensitive, and we cannot just rush and speed up the work. So we have decided that we will have try to have in the next, not in the budget session, but the autumn session will be held here. We will try to finish and inaugurate this building before the budget, autumn session. Yeah, majority is the dome work, but dome work, as you can see, there's a lot of steel structure being going and being welded and fixed, so it will take time.